Right lads, here's a cheeky wee compilation of my Scots Word of the Day videos. Now I know at the start I'm nervous, I'm awkward, I haven't figured out my way of speaking and I'm really overexposed, but that doesn't detract from the fact that this whole process from start up until the video I filmed this morning has just been such a pleasure. I have loved every single minute, every single video, and I hope you do too. Alright, so I clearly didn't realise that pronunciation would be an issue. So at the risk of being unclear, I'm going to let you know how I would say it. The word of the day today is Foosty. Hi guys, today's word of the day is Wean. I've seen two spellings, so I've included them both to avoid any confusion. It means child or little one. It comes from Wean, and an example sentence is, "Oh, don't be giving her a row, she's only a wean." Alright lads, Scots word of the day is shattered. It means tired or exhausted, and an example sentence is, "I'm absolutely shattered." Alright lads, today's Scots word of the day is Skelf. It means a splinter, a little bit of wood you might get in your finger, that kind of thing. And an example sentence is, "Oh, I've just got a skelf and it's really nippy." Nippy's another good word actually. It means sore, but it can also mean grumpy, so you can be a wee bit nippy if you're grumpy, or nippy can be painful. Scots word of the day today is Coorie. It means to cuddle or snuggle. You can say Coorie in, or you can say Coorie doon. An example sentence is, "Oh, come away in and Coorie doon, darling." It features in the song Coorie Doon by Matt McGinn. Please check it out because it's just the most wonderful little Scottish lullaby, you'll love it. Right lads, today's word of the day is a recommendation from my sister, and it is Scunnered. It means disappointed, fed up or discontented. And an example sentence is, "Would you actually look at the state of my hair? I'm scunnered with it." Right lads, Scots word of the day today is Crabbit. The T is optional. You can say Crabbit or you can say Crabbit. I personally say Crabbit. It means irritable or grouchy. And an example sentence is, "What's up with you? You're awfully Crabbit today." Alright lads, I hope you enjoyed a week's worth of my wee videos. It's so rare to be able to wake up in the morning and be passionate about what you're doing and have something that you just look forward to, and that's what I've had with these videos. Genuinely, so much passion has gone into these and I hope that comes across. I'd just like to say thank you for every like, comment, retweet, positive engagement. Thank you. It's meant the world.